Maybe. All right, those two are from Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah.
There's a note in there somewhere. But...
Oh, birthday!
Ryder, let Sissy open.
Sissy be the birthday girl.
Ooh.
Thank you.
You're gonna make some headbands? Cool.
And I also need a refill for my headband.
I know, that's good. Now you can make all kinds of different ones.
Turn around and show it.
Sissy birthday!
Yay.
Sissy!
All right, open this one. This one too. Ryder, let Sissy do her birthday. You got to do yours and she didn't get in yours.
That's Sissy.
Guys, turn it
The
around.
back kind of broke as we were walking. Ooh, what's that?
Hold on. Spirograph.
A spirograph. Do you remember trying to use one before?
Yeah.
I think this one's a little better. It might work. You think? We'll have
Thank
to-
you.
Yeah, look, here's the note. Can you read it? Read the note.
Oh,
You okay?
Jeanette Stevens. Happy birthday, lyrics. Love, Grandma and Grandpa. XOXO.
XOXO. What else is in there?
Thank you.
Yay!
Pinky.
Of course she likes Meanie Moo. Say thank you. Love
Thank
you.
you. Love you.